Alright guys, I am going to show two videos. Both videos are the same but with different video quality. I want you to watch it and tell me which one looks better. If you have selected the second one, then you are absolutely right. If you are a faceless content creator in 2025, let me tell you, only creating content and uploading regularly isn't enough anymore. Maybe it was enough 1 or 2 years ago, but now since AI has come a long way and sometimes it's almost impossible to tell apart what's I generated and what's not, it is very important to create high quality content. Now tell me honestly guys, suppose you are scrolling through Instagram and come across these two videos. Which one do you think you will watch longer? Yes, it's the left one because the video quality is way better. I'm telling you guys, video quality is just as important as the content of the video, especially now when AI content is literally everywhere, constantly fighting for your attention, and the videos with the highest quality win. I mean, seriously, you can't just upload a video with a big watermark like this and expect it to blow up. You need to do better. Take a look at these two videos. Which one do you think looks better? Yes, it's the video on the right, and the one on the left is the one I made. Now, as you can see here, both videos have the same kind of content, but there is a huge difference in terms of quality. Now, you might be thinking maybe they used a better video generator to generate the video. Let me tell you, that is not the case. No video generators can generate videos of this quality, at least for now. And it's also not editing or any other filter. All they do is upscale their videos, and that is the real reason why all of their videos look absolutely high quality while others don't. But the question is, how do you upscale videos to 8K? Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you an outstanding tool through which you can upscale any video to up to 8K and create awesome high quality content that can go absolutely viral. Apart from video upscaling, you can also upscale images, remove watermarks, compress videos, generate voiceovers, edit videos, and so much more. Basically, it's an all-in-one AI tool for all your content creation needs. We'll show you everything about this tool in detail, so make sure you pay close attention and watch the video until the end. Now, without wasting any more time, let's get started. The tool we will be using today is called Wondershare UniConverter. It has been created by the same company that created the awesome video editor Filmora. And let me tell you guys, this tool is just outstanding. Watch the video till the end and you will find out why I am saying this. To get started, simply click on the link in the description and it will take you to the download page. Yes, it's a software that you need to download, so expect some serious results with this. Now first you need to download and then install and sign up using your email ID. Once everything is done, you will see an interface like this. As you can see, it has a very simple and sleek interface. Now here you can see all kinds of different tools for different purposes. From here, you can select whether you want to specifically work with video, audio, or images, and it will show you the tools accordingly. First, let's test my favorite feature, which is the video upscaler. So I will choose a video from here and click on video enhancer, and it will open this interface. Now here you need to upload the video that you want to upscale. I have uploaded this one. Next, you can select what kind of enhancement you want to apply. As you can see, it has 4 different options. First, it has the video enhancer option, which enhances your video quality. Next, it has denoiser, which reduces noise from your video and makes it cleaner. Then it has video upscaler, which can upscale your video to up to 8K. Finally, it has the frame interpolation option, which increases the frame rates of your video to make them smoother. As you can see, it supports up to 240 FPS, which is just crazy. I will choose the video enhancer option and then click on export, and UniConverter will start enhancing your video. It will automatically save the video once done, so you don't need to worry about downloading it. And here is the output. As you can see, it looks way sharper than before and the quality has been increased. Here is a side-by-side comparison. You can see the upscaled one looks way better than the original. Now you don't need to worry about video quality anymore. With this feature in UniConverter, you can upscale or enhance any kind of video. And now let's make this video even smoother by increasing the frame rates. So this time I will choose this option, and then from here I will select 120 FPS, then click on export and let UniConverter do its magic. And here is the output. As you can see, the video looks way smoother, isn't it? Here is a side-by-side comparison. You can already see a big difference in terms of quality and smoothness. Isn't that just awesome? Now, if you use these kinds of high-quality videos for your content, then nothing can stop your video from performing better than any other generic AI content. And now let me show you how you can remove watermarks from videos easily with this, and let me tell you guys, it works like magic. None of those weird blur effects you see everywhere else. To do that, select watermark remover from here, and then you need to upload your video here. I have uploaded this video I generated using Minimax, and as you can see, it has an annoying watermark. Now, here you can see it has two options. First, there is the AI model, which will use AI to analyze each frame and remove the text. This method creates better results but takes more time, and the standard method basically blurs out the text throughout the video, and we don't want that. So I will select the AI model. Now, you need to select the area of the text just like I did here, and then you can select the time from here. I will keep it for the entire video and click on export, and here is the output. As you can see, the AI has removed the watermark and it's barely noticeable. I am very amazed at how well it worked and removed the watermark. Now you don't need to worry about big watermarks on your videos. You can just remove them using Wondershare UniConverter, and you can see the result is amazing. And now let me show you guys how you can enhance any images using UniConverter. It's very simple. First, go to images from here, select image enhancer, and then upload your image here. After that, you can see it has multiple options here, just like the video enhancer. You can choose the one you like. I will choose the image upscale option. Then you can select how much upscaling you want from here. I will choose Fort X and click on export. And here is the output. As you can see, UniConverter was able to upscale the image nicely. It looks way sharper and high quality now. Here is a side-by-side comparison. You can see that the upscaled one looks way better. And if we zoom in on both images, you can see that the upscaled one retains the quality much better. Now, let's say you are creating a documentary on Albert Einstein and you have downloaded this image from Google to use in your documentary. Instead of using this image as it is, let me show you what you can do to make this image more interesting using UniConverter. First, you need to upload the image here. Next, from these options, choose Old Photo Colorizer and click on export. And here is the output, folks. Just look at this. I'm honestly blown away by the quality of the image. You can see it has colored the image and it is just looking fabulous. I'm telling you guys, it's the small things like these that make a video worth watching. I'm sure there are hundreds of different documentaries on Albert Einstein and they all use the same black and white image. But if you use this colored version of the same image, it draws the viewers in because this is not something they have seen before, and it differentiates your content from others. So try to be unique, use high quality images and videos paired with a good script, and you don't need to worry about views. Now, apart from upscaling, you can see it has so many other options like background remover, watermark remover, etc., which are very useful for creating content. Now, images and videos are not the only departments where it shines. You can also create scripts for your videos using Wondershare UniConverter. To do that, go to the video option, look for script generator, and click on it. Now, here you need to write your video topic. I will choose World War II. Next, you can select the video type. I will go with educational, and then you can select the platform. As you can see, it has multiple different platforms. I will keep it at YouTube. And finally, in the tone section, I will set it to formal and click on generate. It will take a few seconds to generate, and here is the output. As you can see, UniConverter was able to generate the script, and it has also given suggestions on what images or videos to use for the video, which is just awesome. Now, if you want, you can also save the script by clicking on this save button. Okay, so once you are ready with your script, let's generate the voiceover for our narrator. And guess what? Through UniConverter, you can also generate voiceovers. Here's how you do it. First, look for the text to speech option and click on it. Next, you can select the audio type from here. As you can see, it has multiple types. I will choose the professional one. Next, you can select the character. I will go with this one. And finally, upload your script here and click on generate. And this is how it sounds.
World War II, a global conflict that lasted from 1939 to 1945, was the deadliest and most widespread war in human history.
That was pretty good, wasn't it? And similarly, you can also generate text from speech if you want. Just go to the speech to text option, then upload the audio here. I will upload the one I just created, then click on generate. And here it is. UniConverter has generated the text, and it is 100% accurate. This feature will be very useful if you want to take inspiration from other videos. Just put the audio here, and it will give you the text. You can then go to ChatGPT and ask it to rewrite, and just like that, you will have a similar script ready in no time. So with this one tool, we are able to upscale images, videos, remove watermarks, colorize old images, generate scripts, generate voiceovers, etc. Now you don't need to use multiple tools like ChatGPT, 11 Labs, Topaz AI, etc. You can do them all using Wondershare UniConverter. I'm telling you guys, with this tool, you can really take your content creation game to the next level. And apart from the features I showed, it also has tons of other useful tools. As you can see, it has so many other options like video compressor, which compresses the size of your videos without losing quality. It also has a subtitle editor, GIF maker, vocal remover, and whatnot. I use this tool a lot for different needs, and it saves me a lot of time and effort. You can try it out too. Now, you don't need to use multiple tools for different needs. You can do all of them in one place, and all the tools produce high quality results. I will put the link in the description. Make sure you try it out. Trust me guys, people are making tons of money by creating AI videos like this, and you can do it too. Just believe in yourself and start taking action. I'm always here to help you guys. You just need to take the first step, which is the hardest part. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, keep grinding.